So we're back with a brand new product to check out. This is the JrTrack 4 smartwatch from Cosmos. So we're back with a brand new product to check out. This is the JrTrack 4 from Cosmo Technologies. It is a smartwatch for children that is specifically designed to have GPS tracking of your child, an app secure communication system that allows you to make sure that only you and family or friends and chosen people are able to communicate with them, activity tracker, and news system, so that way children kind of get the idea of what's going on in the world while also keeping track of their physical actions and movements and just having really overall good engagement in the world. It is a really nice and low profile watch band with a kind of tongue and groove similar to a regular watch, two strap system designed to meet the thickness of several people's wrists. You've got a QR code on the back here specifically for scanning for setting up, and then a really low profile screen here designed to be easy to use for children. You've got a SIM card slot here that requires a push pin to kind of get it out, I think. I don't know. Just use your finger now. It's got a SIM card already kind of built in there. Then you got your on button here, which turns the screen on. You've got an activity button there, and I think there's a camera here so the kids can take pictures and videos of themselves. You can also do video calls with the watch to your loved ones. It's just got a start setup. You can tap on the screen. It's checking for data. So I think it's going to want us to actually physically set this up with the app before you can move past this point, which is fine. And we'll do that. We'll show you how the app works specifically. But let's go to what's also inside this box here. So we've got this little box here inside there, this little box here, and then some manuals and guides. Welcome to the family. There's the quick start guide, a screen protector from scratches, and it looks like a little sticker for the kids. Shows the links for the downloading the app. Yeah, and this one here has, it looks like another watch strap. Ooh, yeah, this might be a better watch strap for some of the kids that don't really know how to do the watch strap yet. This is a Velcro option. That's really cool. It also might work really well with the kids who have the thinner wrists. So the watch strap has a little pin pull on the side there, really easy to swap it out. Once you get that locked in there, you then take the other one here. Lock that in place, and then you can have a child with a thin or smaller wrist be able to have that on there, and the Velcro will keep that in place to hold that secure. I really like that for the child. It's also a lot soft, more fabricy, less rubbery. That's not going to cause an irritation for a child, especially a really young one. That's really cool. And then for the charging cable, got USB-A connection here that goes all the way through, and then it connects on the back end here, and it is a magnet lock charger, so you can plug that in and then it will charge up the device. It has a very set specific way it wants to be positioned and will put itself in that position to charge it, which is really nice. So we'll take that, we'll charge that up, we'll show you how the app works, and we'll be right back. When it comes to keeping your child safe, you're going to want to have a device you can trust, one that has the ability to tell you where they are and also can help relieve you with regards to who's communicating with them. I love the video call features on this. I love the fact that it allows children to engage more with like news sources, activity tracking, as well as their family members and loved ones. And I really think the device has a very good GPS coordinator and accessor that allows parents to have a peace of mind when they're trying to give their children a little bit more agency and the ability to basically make better choices in life. Hopefully you guys will pick this up for your kids, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.